Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Han. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite healthy recipes, sun-dried tomato chicken pasta. Before we start cooking, let's unbox my new cookware from Caraway. I've been wanting to get a cookware set from Caraway, and this time the brand sent me a set. I just can't wait to try them in the kitchen. Their pots and pans are very sturdy and heavy in hand. The finish definitely looks nice. Caraway makes healthy cookware with 100% non-toxic ceramic coating. These will be perfect for my family. It's never a bad idea to invest in health and a better cooking experience. I picked cream color, and this creamy, beautiful color is very easy to style, easily matches my other cookware and appliances in the kitchen. I'm glad that the cookware set comes with some small accessories that I would actually need. What do you use in your kitchen? Which cookware brand is your favorite? Leave a comment down below. Now let's move on to the next layer. You see, these are the organizers. These are the magnetic pan rack. You can easily store away your pots and pans in your cabinet with these organizers. I think it's a very beautiful design, especially if you have a smaller kitchen. This is brilliant. Okay, we have one more box to open. Of course, these are the lids, but it also comes with an organizer. So I got 3 lids, different sizes to match all the pots and pans. They're nicely stored in a canvas lid holder. This can be attached to the inside of my cabinet door. I actually like this design even more. The storage of lids has been a headache for me. I really didn't find a good place to store them away when they were not used. So I think this canvas holder just makes all the sense. Okay, now let's start cooking my sun-dried tomato chicken pasta. This is a very fulfilling but still pretty healthy recipe that you can share with your families. And I really enjoy the taste of sun-dried tomato, and you can easily get them at any groceries. After slicing a pound of chicken breast into cutlets, just season the chicken with salt and pepper. If you want to use chicken size, you can definitely do it. Salt and pepper, in my opinion, can bring out the original flavor of chicken breast, which is very nice and simple. If you feel like more flavors, you can add herbs at this step. Just make sure you evenly season both sides. You can let it sit in the season for 10 minutes or cook immediately. Take a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon cooking oil and 1 tablespoon oil from the sun-dried tomato can over medium to high heat. You don't want to waste anything from the can. This oil will add more flavor. Now let's add the pre-seasoned chicken to the pan, 1 piece at a time. You can cook for 3 minutes or until the side is slightly browned. And turn to the other side. Transfer to a plate until both sides are browned. The chicken already smells delicious. Now in the same pan, add a half cup sun-dried tomato and a half cup finely chopped shallot. And stir the ingredients and cook for 1 minute. So far, the ceramic non-stick coating of this pan works nicely. I don't see any chicken brown stick to the pan. The heat is very even. It definitely holds the heat pretty well. The whole kitchen has been filled with the fragrance from the shallots and the sun-dried tomatoes. When the shallots are nicely browned, pour in a half cup heavy cream. You can also use half and half. And then add 2 tablespoons of dry white wine. Bring the heavy cream to boil and stir all the ingredients. If you see any juice from your chicken, you can also add the juice. And then season with salt and pepper. You can season to taste. Bring it to a simmer for 2 minutes. And then return the chicken back to the pan. The chicken will be coated with this creamy sauce. It'll be very delicious. At the same time, use a large pot. Bring a pot of water to boil. Add a teaspoon of salt in the water. And then add the pasta of your choice. I use the angel hair for quick cooking. You can use spaghetti or linguine if you like. Now you can taste your sauce to see if you want to season again, otherwise you can just go ahead and stir in the pasta. Mix all the ingredients together, let the pasta absorb some of the flavors. If you think it's too dry, you can always add some water from the pasta. Now I think the consistency of the sauce is perfect. And then just sprinkle some finely chopped fresh parsley. This sun-dried tomato chicken pasta is ready. This recipe is actually beginner friendly. You can try it at home. It's very easy to follow. All you need is just a can of sun-dried tomatoes. The taste is very rich but not that sour. This is perfect. Now let's do the dishes and clean the pan first. The Caraway ceramic coating is very easy to work with. I just used the sponge that came with the package. Use a little dish soap. I can easily wipe away any residues on the pan. Rinse it with warm water. The interior looks very clean already. Follow the same steps for the bottom. Wipe with this sponge. It's very gentle. I think it's perfect for maintaining the coating. After washing and drying, store away the pan and pot into the magnetic pan rack. The lids can go back to the canvas holder on the door. Now my cookware has a nice home. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.